Hello kids, let's learn all berries name today. Goji berry, goji berry, goji berry. Black mulberry, black mulberry. Black currant, black currant. Red currant, red currant. Gooseberry, gooseberry, gooseberry. Pearberry, pearberry, pearberry. Chokeberry, chokeberry, chokeberry. Dewberry, dewberry, dewberry. Cape gooseberry, cape gooseberry. Dayberry, dayberry.